Please be clear.
Fish and chips over there. Yes, we do.
And
Fish and chips, and there's a beaches cafe there. There's no.
why is it not lowering?
What?
I think it's failed, hasn't it?
So why are we stopping?
Barmouth fell to lava.
Across the road, Sam, because they have to shut the road so we can cross the road. He's going to stop, so stop. Yeah.
How do you know?
That's failed, hasn't it?
That's kind of backwards.
How do you know, Mom?
He's got a stop sign.
Because
It's
people.
unusual for the train to have a stop sign.
I know
Cars
that.
have a stop sign.
Mother, I love you. I still have that horse movie of mine, the one called Dream Horse, Mom.
Yeah, that's what country did that take place in?
Wales.
Yeah, what country are you in right now?
Wales.
Yeah, that has failed to lower.
Mother, next time you plan a flying vacation, go without me. I said, next time you plan a flying vacation, go without
I
me.
think the barriers have failed to lower.
The barriers, I think what they're doing?
They're just not, the lights are flashing, the barriers haven't come down. It's doing a Llandovery. It's not delaying, is it?
I love you, Mom. Mother, listen to me. Now that I'm 35. May I say?
Oh, Barmouth spoke it again.
May I say something, Mommy? I think it's high time I should start staying back at the Red House in the USA by myself. I'm just saying that.
Okay.
Yep.
Thank you. Yeah, I think those are behind us.
I know that, but Mom, next time I come back here, I really want to go back down into that mine about King Arthur.
Close now, Chuck, yeah, close up.
I didn't see this to fail to lower.
Sorry guys, the barriers haven't lowered down, so we can't
there we go.
in until
They're lowering now, yeah.
I'll do it manually like I am.
So this Sam's birthday, he said, could I go on the